field. Deeper still, there may be a rocky or icy core. We're not sure. We've never been there, and we never will be. When Galileo first pointed his telescope at Saturn in 1610, he had no idea what he was looking at. He described it as having ears. He thought there were two round objects on either side of it. It wasn't until 1655 that Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens figured it out. Saturn was surrounded by a ring. And now, 370 years later, those rings are still one of the most debated and mysterious structures in all of science. Here's what we know. Saturn's rings are made mostly of ice particles and rocky debris, ranging in size from tiny grains to chunks as large as a house. They stretch out nearly 175,000 miles from the planet's center. That's almost the distance from the Earth to the Moon. But here's what blows people's minds: those rings, despite being that wide, are only about 30 feet thick on average in some areas. 30 feet. That's the height of a 3-story building. Imagine a sheet of paper. Now make it wide enough to stretch across a continent. That's the proportional thickness of Saturn's rings. Now here's where it gets urgent and a little sad. The rings are disappearing. Saturn's gravity is slowly pulling the ring particles inward. They rain down onto the planet as a fine, icy mist. Scientists call it ring rain. NASA estimates that the rings are losing material at a rate equivalent to an Olympic swimming pool every half hour. At this rate, the rings will be completely gone in about 100 million years. 100 million years sounds like forever. But in cosmic time, that's nothing. The rings themselves may only be about 100 to 400 million years old, meaning they formed after the dinosaurs already existed on Earth. Saturn spent most of its life without rings. We just happen to live at the exact moment in cosmic history when Saturn has them. And we're watching them slowly disappear. If that doesn't make you feel something, I don't know what will. Saturn doesn't just have one moon. It has 146 confirmed moons, the most of any planet in the solar system. And 2 of them might be the most important places in the entire solar system. Titan, the moon with weather. Titan is Saturn's largest moon and one of the strangest places in the known universe. It's bigger than the planet Mercury. It has a thick atmosphere, the only moon in the solar system that does. And that atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, just like Earth's. But instead of water, Titan has liquid methane. There are methane lakes, methane rivers, methane rain, methane clouds, an entire water cycle.